What is the role of mentorship in business education? Now, if you've watched any of my prior videos, you know that I use the word education to refer to all types of learning. That is the formal education system, the practical experience you get in the job force, or just the specific experiences you get as an observer, experiencing things by any means or method possible. But a topic I think is worthy of additional exploration is the idea of mentorship. That is, having someone who serves as a sounding board, someone who can provide you advice, someone who can reflect on their experiences and somehow transmit that learning or knowledge to you. That's the essence of mentorship. Now, we as individuals oftentimes just go out and try to pursue something. We get rudimentary education from someone else. That could be asking someone how you do something. It could be going to an educational program where you learn the basics of something and then you pursue that. You begin to practice it, you learn more, you read additional or more nuanced topics, and you become an expert in that field, and so on and so forth. But what I'd like to hear your opinion on is, how can mentorship play a greater role in that? How can individuals who wish to pursue something, how can they, one, find mentors? Two, how do you establish that mentor relationship? Three, how do both parties begin to understand one specific topic that has been relevant to me over the years is the presence of mentorship as part of the formal higher education experience. That is, when you go to business school, the extent to which you are able to find a mentor and use that mentorship relationship to achieve your business or career objectives. Now, I will say by and large, I believe that most universities, and this could be by virtue of the resources available to them, do not have adequate mentorship resources available to students. That is, they do not invest enough resources in establishing mentorship. And I believe this is a loss on both sides of the equation. That is, the school could more adequately remain in contact or bring back into the fold their prior graduates, their alumni base, by doing more to establish mentorship programs, perhaps where they make these individuals available or somehow connect them with students. Now, I know career centers do this, but it's a matter of degree. Until pretty much every student in school has a mentor, then there's still room for improvement. And there may be an argument that individuals should have multiple mentors. That is, one individual may help you in one career aspect of your life, and another individual may help you in a different career path or other personal aspects of your life. So I certainly believe there's opportunity for additional improvements in this regard within formalized higher education, but also outside of formalized education. When you are developing a career plan, when you are developing a life plan, how do you integrate the idea of having mentors into that plan? How do you plan to acquire these mentors, to make the connections, to establish the relationship, and to ultimately harvest the benefits of that relationship or provide value back such that the mentor receives value in that relationship as well? So these are open questions. I certainly don't have any answers, but I certainly believe they're ripe for discussion. So if you have thoughts, opinions on this matter, please jump down in the comments below. Go over to thebusinessprofessor.com and start a discussion in one of the forums. But regardless, I hope to see you around the platform soon. Until then, take care.